Hey, Yo Weekend Gardener here on vacation, and we're in Guadalajara at the beach on vacation, and just happened to look over here, and I see bananas right here on the property. There's a group right here, and all along this line, there's banana trees, just growing wild. Very interesting. Just curious. I know it doesn't taste well, so I'm not going to eat it. But this is just crazy how food is just right here available. Those are actually more done than this. Those look like they'll be ready in a little bit. I think as soon as you whack them off. Not sure who they belong to. Maybe there's some folks that live in this area right here. But yeah. Bananas everywhere. See you in the next one.